Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn ratios and proportions together, step by step. A ratio compares two amounts. If a shelter has 3 cats to 5 dogs, that's 3 to 5, a part-to-part ratio. But the SAT often wants part to whole. Add the parts. 3 plus 5 is 8 total animals, so cats are 3 out of 8. Always ask yourself, is the question comparing part to part or part to the whole? A proportion sets two ratios equal. When one value is missing, cross-multiply. A over B equals C over D means A times D equals B times circa. Then solve for the unknown. One rule that saves points. Keep your units lined up. If miles are on top of the left fraction, miles must be on top of the right one too. Mixed-up units cause wrong answers. A recipe uses 4 cups of flour to make 18 cookies. How much flour makes 45 cookies? Set up the proportion. 4 over 18 equals x over 45. Cross-multiply 18x equals 4 times 45, which is 180. Divide by 18, and x is 10 cups. Notice flour stayed on top and cookies on the bottom in both fractions. A paint mix is 2 parts red to 7 parts blue, and you have 36 liters total. First, add the parts. 2 plus 7 is 9. Divide the total by 9 to find one part. 36 divided by 9 is 4 liters per part. Red is 2 parts, so 2 times 4 is 8 liters of red. This part-to-whole setup shows up constantly on the SAT. Here's your checklist for test day. 1. Decide if it's part-to-part or part-to-whole. 2. Add the parts when you need a total. 3. Write the proportion with matching units top and bottom. 4. Cross-multiply and solve. And remember, Desmos can divide for you, but setting up the ratio correctly is the real skill. Practice the setup until it's automatic. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.